unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Smart security cameras and doorbells need at least 2 to 5 megabits per second for smooth video streaming. If you use HD video or multiple devices, speeds around 10 megabits per second work best. Upload speed is just as important, since they send video to your phone or cloud. To avoid interruptions, make sure your Wi-Fi is reliable and has low latency.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.